Hello everybody, welcome to this week's Tips and Tricks where we talk about how to stay balanced. And this week we're going to look at how we can improve our brain function by wearing a hat. So inside my hat I have placed my favorite LifeWave phototherapy patches, and I have a specific protocol in this hat. And when you wear it, it can help your brain be balanced. It helps with inflammation, it helps move energy. If you have over energy, it can help dampen the energy. So it depends on what the issue is. It might depend on which patches you put in there. But you don't have to have patches stuck on your hair and going around through the day. So you could, some schools even let kids these days wear a hat, and they might be able to wear it during school. Some protocols might be a little overstimulating, so you only really need to wear them about 2 hours a day. Patches last about 24 hours, so you can just kind of divide that up, which means that you could wear, if you wore it 2 to 3 hours a day while you were working, you could wear this for as long as maybe 12 days or about almost 2 weeks, so it just depends. Stroke, memory, anything that has to do with brain fog, anything that has to do with the brain. There's different reasons why we experience brain dysfunction, but wearing this hat is a great solution that doesn't require ingesting of anything. It's all natural, and it's just teaching your body how to heal itself.